and I want to see what it looks like when I add a multiple camera, what it sounds like when I add a multiple camera. So this is just looking at my webcam on my Chromebook. Now I am going to add a second camera and see if we get a weird sound. So this is now this camera separate here. I can bring it in and zoom it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to the stream. I'm still going to make sure we're using default built-in camera on both of these. And then now I'm going to show in stream. So now you can see I have this, but I'm afraid I'm going to get a weird echoey because that microphone is recording at different tempos, or it's picking up from somewhere else. I would still think it's right there. So if I look at this, yep, it's still that mic. If I look at this, it's still that mic. But I think I'm going to get an echoey sound. So I don't know if this is really going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide this now. And then we're going to take and we're going to see what happens if I just switch the video settings from my camera to my USB camera. So then I click here, and do I get a loss in sound, or is it just the picture? Boom, it snaps. Pastor will say a sermon. Say sermon, sermon, sermon. I got more sermon. I got more sermon. Talk louder, wake people up. I got more sermon. Okay, sermon's done. He goes, prayer, prayer, prayer. Sermon is over. And we're going to go back to the main camera. And here we are, main camera. And we're going to see what this sounds like when we're done. So we will start there. So I'm going to stop the stream, and then we're going to watch it.